Hi everyone, and welcome to the Droidgy channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the issue of missing contacts on Android phones. Smartphones store the contact details of our friends and family, meaning we don't have to manually enter complex phone numbers every time we want to reach someone. But what would you do if, one day, you discovered that your contacts had disappeared from your Android phone, and you couldn't remember the phone numbers of the people you needed to reach? Don't worry, you can still recover your contacts. Keep watching, and we'll explain the reasons why Android contacts go missing, along with the solutions to fix it. Please watch this video through to the end. This video applies to a wide range of phone models, including Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. There could be many reasons why contacts go missing on an Android phone, but for the vast majority of users, it's simply a case of accidentally hiding them. Of course, other factors can also be at play, such as system updates, contact synchronization issues, or accidental deletion. If you find that you've lost all your contacts on your Android phone, don't panic, we've compiled a simple guide to help you restore those deleted contacts. Please follow the detailed steps below to resolve the issue of missing contacts on your Android phone. If you've tried all the solutions listed below and your contacts still haven't returned, feel free to leave a comment in the section below this video, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Finally, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing, giving it a like, or leaving a comment to let us know which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1. Recovering contacts from the recycle bin. If you encounter a situation where all contacts won't show on my phone, it doesn't necessarily mean those contacts have vanished from your device forever. The missing contacts may still be stored in your contacts recycle bin. If they are located there, you'll be able to recover them very quickly. Furthermore, the feature that retains deleted contacts in the recycle bin for 30 days is usually enabled automatically. Here is what you need to do. Open the Contacts app, tap the three horizontal lines located in the top left corner, and then find and select the recycle bin option. Inside the recycle bin, you'll see all the contacts you've deleted within the last 30 days. Simply select them to restore them. This should successfully resolve the issue of missing contacts on your Android phone. Method 2. Checking for hidden contacts. Another common reason why all contacts won't show on my phone is that the contacts have been hidden. To locate all your contacts, simply open the phone app. You can then either use the search bar within the contacts section or manually scroll through your list to find any hidden contacts. This is how you can successfully retrieve your contacts on your Android phone. Method 3. Backing up your contacts. To prevent the issue of missing contacts on your Android phone from occurring in the future, we highly recommend implementing a contact backup strategy. You can utilize Google Contact Synchronization or use the built-in Contact Sync feature on your Android device itself. As long as you have enabled the Contact Synchronization function, you will never again have to worry about contacts mysteriously disappearing from your Android phone. Even if your contacts are accidentally lost, you will be able to restore them promptly. This serves as a reliable solution for recovering lost contacts on your Android device. That wraps up today's video. If you found this video helpful and appreciate the work we've done, please give us a thumbs up, share it, and let us know in the comments section which method helped you resolve your issue. Additionally, if you feel there are areas where we could improve, please feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments as well. Thank you, and good luck.